So, good day po ma'am. Ito po yung database na ginawa namin individual activity ngayon. So, first part po magagawa po tayo ng database, which is name your name, DB, your name database. Second part is pag-create ng table via employees na nakalagay po dun is yung employee ID, first name, last name, department. And second table, name departments, which have the department ID and the department name. So, dito naman po sa second part, pag-insert naman po siya ng data. Which is na itong part na to. Itong employees. Kung ano yung laman niya, yun po yung ilalaman nyo dito. Employee ID, first name, last name, department, salary. Ay po niyan, 1 to 10, lahat siya. Dito naman po sa department part, mag-insert naman po tayo ng department ID at ng department name. Sa update, i-update po natin yung department via employee ID, which is yung 1, para yung department na software engineer. At yung pangalawang update naman po ay sa salary naman po ng via employee ID number 2. At isang deletion from employee nga to employee ID number 3. Tapos dito naman po sa isa, pinapakita nyo po yung average ng inyong ng mga salary. Tapos, select all from employees, order by last name, ilulugar natin yung last name. Descending. Ito. Order by salary, descending. Kaya, kapag nirad po natin, ganyan yung magiging ano nyo. Asan yung isang part? Yan, kagaya po nyan. Average salary, employees, total employees. Ito naman pong isa kung ilan yung lugar sa department niya, kung ilan yung may software engineer, IT, finance, HR, marketing. Pero yun po yung pinaka-database. Thank you.